Hello, welcome back. Today I have iPad 10 generation for repair. It's a nice blue color. As you can see, the digitizer is broken. So the inner display is okay, but we need to remove the digitizer and we need to replace it. So just put the rubbing alcohol all the sides. You can heat up before doing this if you want. On some point, it's very workable, but right now I am not doing any heating process, so just put the rubbing alcohol because it's broken from the sides. So I found this is a one big piece, so I'm just trying to get it open from there. So I think it will not work from there, so let's try from the other side. So on this edge I'm just trying, see it is lifting. Before it was lift before a little bit, so just keep going all the way for all edges. So when you just complete this all edges, you will find the couple of connectors, so be careful with those connectors because those connectors is for the touch and other, and you'll find the one camera mic connector also. So be careful while you're doing while you're removing this digitizer from the body. So be careful. There are the glass pieces which can hurt your hand, so I'm just doing very carefully. So after this, make sure everything is separated. So I just removed the one, almost at 70% of the iPad digitizer. So let's see, you'll find this small thing, so I'm just keep removing same time. So what I'm doing, I'm just putting the plier and lifting up. So whenever you just remove something, so just lift up, not the down, because it can hit the LCD display. So everything is removed from the digitizer part. So there are multiple screw. You'll find 6 screw right down there where I'm removing, and 4 screw on top, right. The one right left side. I'm opening the left side. If you go by left and right side, so you'll find there are 1 2 3 4 screws on there. So after removing those screws, so let's lift the screen. So the screen will go the other way because the digitizer will go open like book style. The screen will go like right side, and you'll find couple of connectors down there. So just remove this one, this connector, and this one. You need a Phillips screwdriver to remove those. So after removing this, so disconnect this, in fact just remove all together, so you don't need to use the screwdriver again and again. So this metal piece I removed it. Disconnect the digitizer. Here we go. Here underneath of this metal place, you'll find one LCD connector and one is digitizer connector. So this is the LCD, so let's take aside, put aside. So you'll find this is this thing, and the other connector is right there. So there are a couple of connectors. So let's put the rubbing alcohol to remove the remaining pieces of the glass, and you can see them all, the few adhesive tape left over. So let's put it this one, so it will dissolve glue and you can easily remove it. So after putting rubbing alcohol, you need something the sharp. So I normally I use this thing to remove. You can see it's kind of very easy to remove those all things. So after removing this one, so this is a digitizer I ordered. You can see it's it has couple of connector. One is right there, one is there, up and down. So let's connect this one on motherboard. After connecting this one, I need the screen, the LCD display right there. So just make sure it's properly clicked, otherwise you will not get any display. So the both are connected. So let's put it and turns on. The iPad says unavailable, but it says that display is working. So let's put some cleaning surface and clean the screen before close. So let's put this back. So I just took it out all adhesive tape, and it is I cannot see the touch, but it's 100% result of my all parts whatever order. So that's, if you like this video, thumbs up, and let me know if you want to repair something. I'll try to do it. See you in the next video. Thank you. Bye.